In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a direct message on Slack. This is really useful when a one-on-one conversation suddenly needs input from someone else, and you don't want to start from scratch in a brand new channel. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what each option means. First, open Slack and navigate to the one-on-one direct message you want to expand. This should be a private conversation between you and another person. You can find it in your sidebar under Direct Messages. Just click the conversation to open it like you normally would. Once the direct message is open, look at the conversation header at the top of the window. This is the bar that shows the name or names of the people currently in the conversation. Go ahead and click on that name area in the header. This will open up a small details panel or menu related to that conversation. In that menu or panel, look for the option that says, Add people to this conversation, or it may simply say, Add people, depending on your Slack version. Click that option. What you're doing here is turning a one-on-one direct message into a small group direct message so more people can join in. After you click to add people, Slack will show a search field. Start typing the name of the person you want to add. As you type, Slack will display matching teammates or contacts from your workspace. When you see the correct person in the list, click their name to select them. You can usually add more than one person if needed, but only add people who truly need access to this discussion. Next, Slack will ask you about message history. This is an important step. You'll be given a choice about whether to include past messages from the existing direct message in the new group conversation. Read the options carefully. If the previous conversation contains sensitive or private details that the new person should not see, choose the option that does not share the full history. If you want them to see the context of what you've already discussed, choose the option that includes past messages. Once you've made that decision, click Next, then click Done, and finally Confirm. After you confirm, Slack will update the conversation to include the new person, and you can all start messaging together right away.